We're going to talk about the 3 different ways we can show our understanding for numbers. In 2nd grade, it's important that we are able to show lots of different ways of understanding a number so that we can show that we don't just say a number and we understand really what it means. So the 3 ways in 2nd grade that we need to be able to explain any number are the number form, that's using digits, numerals, expanded form, that's telling me what you know about tens, ones, and hundreds, place value, the parts that make up the number. And the last way is word form. This is more kind of using writing and spelling and kind of how we speak when we talk about a number. So word form would be talking about the words 20, 30, 40, 164, but we'd be writing it out with the number or the word form. Let's do this with a number. First, let's do it with a number that is less than 100. Less than means smaller, fewer, not as many as 100. So I'm just going to pick some random number, 82. My number is 82, so I'm going to put it in my target. When I draw a target around anything, it helps me stay focused on what my goal is, what I'm working on. The number form of 82, all it has is numerals and digits. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? The number 82 is written in numeral form already on our board. 8 and a 2. This is how easy it is to write number form. The number form is just the numerals. Okay? We've been working a lot on what those numbers mean. We know that 82 doesn't mean 8 of something and 2 of something put together. We know that that 8 is a lot more than just 8. We know that it's talking about tens. We know it's talking about 8 tens. So we want to think about what 8 tens is. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We know that 8 tens is equal to or the same as 80. So when we're writing something in expanded form, we are going to write it so we can see how many are in the how many tens there are, how many ones there are, or how many hundreds there are if we're in a number greater than 100. But we're not. We're less than 100, so we're only talking about tens and ones. So when I look at that 82, I know that 82 is made of 8 tens, which is equal to 80, and 2 ones. This is the expanded form of the number 82. 80 plus 2. Now I need to go down and be able to write the number in word form. Word form is just saying or writing what we say when we talk about the number 82. So word form would be 82. I used words to represent the numbers. I used the word 80 to talk about 8 tens, which is the same as the 8 in the number 82. I used the word 2, the numeral word 2, which is the same as this digit 2 for 2 ones, and is the same as this digit in the number when I had it in number form. It's really important to be able to take any number and be able to put it into all 3 of these forms. This is great practice to do at home. Let's now look at a different target number. Our number is going to be greater than, bigger, more than 100. He's going to be between 100 and 200. There's a lot of numbers in the middle. I'm going to see if I can pick one. 114. We're going to put him in our target. And write the 3 forms of the number 114, just like we did for 82. If I want to write number form, that's easy, right? All I'm doing is writing the digits. Do I already have that on my board? Yep, you knew it. I already have it on my board. When I wrote my number in my target, I wrote it in number form. When we write numbers, lots of times we're writing them in number form. It's the most common way to write numbers. So all I have to do to make number form is to move this number down here. The number form of 114 is 114. But I know that 114 is much more than just 1 put together with another 1 put together with 4. There's a lot more to that number than that. When I look at the expanded form, I can show that. The expanded form of 114 is telling me that there is 100 plus 110 plus 4 ones. This is the expanded form of the number 114. If I stretch the number apart, this is what it would look like. If I put it back together, it looks like this. The last way to write 114, the other form, is the word form. So I'm going to be using my writing skills, writing my number words to write out that number. $114. It's important to remember don't stick an and in there. We don't call it 114. Let's just say 114. We'll use the word and later in older grades when we're talking about decimals. Let's not use it till then.